In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select and download all images in Magnific AI Desktop. By the end, you'll be able to bulk select your uploads and save them locally in just a few clicks without missing anything. Start by opening Magnific on your desktop. You can use the desktop app or visit the app in your browser. Make sure you're signed into the workspace where your images live, and give the page a moment to load the left-hand sidebar. That sidebar is your main navigation. From the sidebar, click Projects. This takes you to your project area where Magnific organizes your work. If your window is narrow, you might see icons instead of labels. Hover to confirm you're on projects. Once you're there, look toward the top for the Uploads section. Click Uploads to switch from your work view to your uploaded files. This page shows your images grouped by date, usually in a grid or list of thumbnails. To select everything in a group, find the small checkbox next to the date label. Click that checkbox to select all images associated with that date. You'll see the thumbnails highlight or a selection count appear, confirming everything in that batch is selected. If you notice an image you don't want, you can quickly deselect it without losing the rest of your selection, but the checkbox ensures you don't have to click each thumbnail one by one. With your images selected, click Download. The download control typically appears near the top bar or above the gallery once selections are active. Magnific will prepare the files, often packaging them into a single zip. Then your browser or app will start the download. Keep the window open until it begins, and watch for any prompts asking where to save. Large sets can take a bit longer, so be patient. When it's finished, you'll find the zip in your Downloads folder. Extract it to access the full resolution images. That's all there is to it. Go to Magnific, open Projects, switch to Uploads, select all with the date checkbox, and download. Simple, organized, and fast.